that I love you. You said hello, I turned to go, but
Good evening, everyone. I am Stanley Ricafort Suliman, 20 years old from Area 1 Industry. And I would like to leave a message to everyone that Pride is not just a celebration, it's a protest. Good evening and thank you, everyone.
thing in your eyes left my heart beating inside. I just knew that I'd love you after a long while. I loved you again.
Thank you, candidate number